Hey, what's up? How's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw a scorpion. It could be, Halloween-esque. So anyways, it's in a lot of cool movies. It's kind of a symbol of like, creepy, crawly kind of stuff, right? Poison, stuff like that. We're going to go over this step by step and for beginners, okay? I'm going to be using this marker, Crayola brand marker, and regular paper. You can get this stuff as well. I'm going to put the link in the description. Otherwise, let's get started. Before I do, though, if you like drawing Halloween stuff, if you really enjoy that, click the subscribe and click the bell notification. I'm going to be posting all season long, okay? To get your Halloween fix daily, on the daily, click that subscribe and bell notification. All right, let's get started. I'm going to start with the front part of the scorpion. I'm going to go over here. A circle for the face. Line in right here for one, like, I don't know what you call it, little like tooth, other one as well. Right on. Gonna go over here to the arm. Curve right here. Out. Over here. It's gonna be kind of the front arm, right, where the stingers are gonna be, or not the stingers, the claws. Gonna draw a line over here, line over here. Since it has an exoskeleton, it's kind of got that little, like, ant body kind of thing. This obviously an insect. Curve over here, and like another segment. And between the segments, there's these little tiny segments. So I'm going to start here by putting the claw here, in, curve over here, line underneath. Right on. Gonna go over here to this arm, gonna do the same thing. Curve over here. In over here. Line. So you have the big segment, small segment, big segment. That's kind of the way these work. And I'm gonna draw the other claw on this side. Right, in two segments, a big one and a small one right there, the pinchers or whatever you call them. I'm gonna go over here for the middle of the body, and then I'm gonna continue this with the same shape again, and I'm gonna go upward, like so, like so, like so. And then we're gonna have the stinger at the end of it, which is gonna have like an upside down teardrop shape. Right on. Go over here with a leg. And I'm gonna draw the line out first. And then I'm gonna draw the segment. Right on. Going over here as well, same thing. Almost the exact same leg. Right? I'm going to draw the line out first, and then I'm going to draw the segments to it. One more. Right on. Then I'm going to draw the segments to it. It's just easier that way, honestly. I'm going to draw two eyes right there. And I'm going to draw the leg on the far end. And I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to draw like a stick figure line first, right here. Then I'm going to draw them and thicken them out as segments. So there's like usually three leg, and then the front two for the pinchers, the claws. Right on. And I'm going to draw a line along the side to kind of like make it, seem like the side, kind of split that up. And lastly, I'm going to draw a thick line around the contour. The reason I do that is I want to contain the shapes. Oh, okie doke. Continuing here. Right on, continuing here. And I like the way that because there's so many segments in the Scorpion, I feel like that line just kind of contains that stuff and it gives more focus to it overall. I also think it has a much cooler look with this thick line around it. I'm not sure why, but it just kind of makes things look better. Let me draw another line on the side of the face. It just makes things look better, and I don't really know the explanation, honestly, but I think it does. So hopefully you enjoyed that. I hope you clicked the like if you did enjoy that. And also, don't forget, I put a free present in the description. The very first link of the description is a free drawing templates. So these free drawing templates, there's literally 100 of them. It is meant to be printed out. They're made to be printed out, and they are purely for your enjoyment. They're a free gift. I used to sell the product. I used to sell it as a product last year and the year before, but I decided this year I'm just going to keep it as is. Definitely check that out. Definitely take a look at it. And yeah, let me know what you think. I love this kind of stuff, so I will talk to you next time, okay? And I will see you very, 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 very soon. I'll probably see you later this afternoon. If not, I'll see you most likely tomorrow. Thank you so much. I need you to do one thing. Stay spooky.